Welcome to itdesk.tv. Now, someone was saying to me, no, Chris, look, with all these programming languages, I see you done the flow chart, see you did it in C#. I know you have a lot of experience and things like those, but I'm just beginning. So you're just beginning programming. You're thinking about getting a career. You're probably in school, probably wondering, what is it they're doing here at itdesk.tv? What I'm saying, it's simple. It's as simple as this. It's all about your mindset and how you view it. I am here now with a different programming language separate from C#. This one is an older language. We call this Visual Basic. This was the older Visual Studio. And I'm going to show you the same thing that we did in that other program. I'm going to do it here in Visual Basic, a different programming language, and show you that it's the same thing. It's the same concept. The same flow chart that we used is the same flow chart which will apply regardless of the programming language. Okay, so just like you saw me doing that other one, that other video that I'm going to put up here, you can watch that for C#. I'm going to do it now in Visual Basic and see if I can jog my memory and see how it goes. So I have on the screen the cost price, the selling price, the results, and a button to check the profit. Same thing. So you click this button and you go into the back end of the program. Just like the other one, you do the same things. It's just that the syntax in the language is different. Alright? Language, programming language is all about syntax. What you need to know is how to do it. And then you can go find the syntax to match it. If you know what to do, you can go use and go find out what the syntax is. So here we go. I'm going to declare the variables now. I'm going to say dim C price as integer. I'm also going to say dim S price as integer. Now that I've declared the variables like I did, I'm going to now assign the values collected through the form into the variable. Okay? So now C price equals, here's a function called that, and it's called txt Alright, I'm going to use this function, S price. I'm just assigning it. So there's a C string and there's a C in there. Just a couple functions that you'll get used to after you start doing it. It's just syntax. Alright. So now the variable for, what is this? txt results. What I want txt results, that text, I want that to be equal to, follow me now, C string S price minus C price. So I'm converting it back to a string so I can put it into the results and show us. And I think this probably should do it right here. So I'm gonna go back through this. So here, instead of doing it like this, like in C#, I put a, right, and I say declare variables. Here I say assign input into variables. And down here I say display result in text box. And that's it. So if I did this correct, I'm guessing it should work just fine. So let's say cost price is $1,000 and the selling price is $1,200. Ah man. Let's see what the issue is. Them C price as that. TXT C price, TXT S price. I see what the problem is. See, I told you. The name of this is, it's not cost, TXT cost price, TXT selling price. TXT cost price, TXT selling price. See that? I think this should work now. So let's click it now. Let's run it. 1000. There it is, 200. So it was just a simple mistake. So it was a mistake in the name. So you get it. Let's say you bought it for 1500 minus 300, just like the other program. So what's the key here? You can program in any language you choose, understand the concept, and from there you can go find out what the syntax is to do what it is that you need to do. itdesk.tv, unlocking doors.